Harbor Freight has extended their Spring Black Friday sale through Sunday, April 21st. And I'm going to show you some of the top deals they have in store. Now, first up, we have, as far as winches go, this is a Badland 12,000 pound winch with 80 feet of synthetic rope. They have it at $5.99 in store, but the super coupon is $4.99, so that's $100 off. Now, you do need the coupon to take advantage of these sales. This is the Hercules 12-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw at $2.99. In store, it's saying it's $3.49 here. And then this is the McGraw buy one get one free here. You buy one of the air compressors. It has to be 8 gallons at least, and you get one of the free tools here. Next up is this auger here. This is a Predator 2 horsepower auger for $239, although with the coupon it's $189. And the coupons are really just an extension of the Spring Black Friday savings. Now this is a Yukon 5-tier storage rack for $59, but if you apply the coupon it's $44.99. So it's 25% off. And then right up near it here is this sprayer here. This is the Avanti airless sprayer for $249, although it's $199 if you know what you're looking for and have the coupon. So that's $50 off here. And this is what it looks like in the box here. So it just shows it being used with different modalities here. It's saying it's 10 times faster. Now this is a Drummond utility sump pump for $99, although it's $59 if you extend the savings here. So that's $40 off in this green color here. And it says it pumps water out to 1/4 of an inch. And Daytona, they have their 1,300 pound professional wheel dolly here for $99. I think it was $129, so that's $30 off with their savings here. And right next to it, they have their 3-gallon oil-free air compressor for $59, although it's now $49. That's 16% off with their extension. They still have these ammo boxes from Bunker Hill, and if you just buy it in store, it's going to be $5.99. Although if you take advantage of these coupons, it's $2.94. It's 50% off. And Hercules is still having the get a free tool when you buy their charger and battery. It looks like they restocked a lot of their tools here. So you can get up to $119 worth of value if you do get the charger and battery. Bauer still has their deal as well. $89, which is you buying their battery and charger, and you get a free tool up to $142 of value. And it looks like they restocked here, and they have some tool bags as well down at the bottom. US General, they have some deals here. Now these are on their double bank roller cabinets, 42 inches for $5.99, although you can get them for $5.29. Now it's $70 off. They have these Franklin moving blankets still, $5.79, although you can get them for $3.48. That's 39% off with their extension deal here. They have these Franklin ladders still. These are the 17-foot multitask ladders. They're saying they're super strong. So if you just buy them in store, $149. And if you are cognizant about the savings here, it's $94. And Bauer has these 2000 psi electric power washers here. It says in store it's $199, and if you use the coupon here, it's $189. So at least a $10 savings here, even though the coupon has a little different. It comes with everything you need. This is a Portland pole saw here, and this is at $64, and it's going to be $49, which is 23% off with the savings extension here. Portland also has a 9-amp 14-inch electric chainsaw for $34. That's 30% off. It was $49, it looks like, previously. Just keep in mind it is corded. Atlas is still having their get a tool free deal. Their battery is, you just have to purchase that. It's $139, and then you get one of their free tools up to $99 in savings. They have these LED lights for $17. They were $27, and it's 35% off, and it's a 24-foot LED outdoor string light. Now they do have these other string lights as well, and these are $18, $18.99, for 12 incandescent bulbs, outdoor string lights. Braun has this 310 lumens swivel headlamp. It's very powerful. $692, so that's 50 or 46% off. And then up next, we have some instant savings here. This ends Thursday, so 6/6, Thursday 6/6. So these savings are not part of the Spring Black Friday deals, but they are still in store and you just get them through June 6th. So you can see all the different savings here. They have gas cans, 12-pack of tarps, oscillating tools. We've gone over the lights already. These are the 1,000-pound vehicle dollies. It's a two-piece, the 6-piece wrench set, 15-inch tool bag, pry bars, battery charger, ratcheting sets, a tarp for $2, security bit set for $7.99, multimeter for $16. So all these are good through June 6th. Now these are the dollies I had showed you previously. If you look in the store now, the price had gone back up to $12.99, 18 by 12, but you can still use this until 4/21, 8 for $8.96. This is that Portland pressure washer. It's $89, although if you still use the coupon through Sunday, you can get it for $64.99, and that is 27% off. Now look at the one on the right. I'm not sure why I'm showing you the main one in the middle, but this is $19.99 on this Greenwood 4-gallon backpack sprayer. And this is a trigger spray nozzle. It was $5. It's now $3.98. So if you just need to replace one on your hose, you can do that. Now these are 3-ton pair Daytona jack stands. And they come in 6 different colors for $49. Although if you use the coupon, it's $27, so 44% off. And they come in all these colors here. This is a titanium welding helmet. It's an auto darkening welding helmet, 7 square inches. So that's $20 off, from $79 down to $59 with their savings here. And then just right behind it, they have the titanium Flux 125 welder here. It was $149, and now you can get it for $134 through Sunday the 21st. And next up, we have the sprayer here, which was next to the larger sprayer. This is the handheld sprayer for $39, and that's some good savings. It says it's $79 in store without the coupon. And you can use these coupons online or in store. Just keep that in mind. This is an Inside Track Club deal for $59 for a wet dry vac, a 9-gallon. Next to it, they do have a 3-gallon, which is $34.99. Just keep that in mind. This is an Armstrong TV wall mount for $8.92. I actually picked one of these up. This was $14.99, so it's 40% off. On this one, it can hold up to 66 pounds. This is a Predator 5,000 watt dual fuel super quiet inverter generator. It's $200 off at $8.99. And this is a better view of the front panel of it here. Now this is an Apache 2800 weatherproof protective case. You can see they've got the items in there for $22.99. This is an instant savings item. The 3800 is on the spring savings, but I just saw the 4800 and the 2800 for whatever reason. And back to the Predator generators here. Next up is an Inside Track Club deal through 5/2. So this is $5.99. It's $80 off. This is their 4550 inverter generator from Predator. And then these are industrial earmuffs here at $3.99, although $2.98, which is 25% off if you're using the coupon. They have an American flag as well for $4.92. That's 50% off, was $9.99 if you just buy it in store without knowing about the coupon. Now this is $139. It's a 225-piece mechanics tool set. And I'm just showing you this one because there is a 301-piece set for $169, but I didn't see that one next to it, so there is a sale on it. They just may have been out of it. This is the Hardy Nitrile gloves. This is a 50-pack, and now the 100-pack is $4.98. So I just wanted to pull that up and show you as well. This is the click type torque wrench for $11.99. It was $19, so it's 36% savings on that. And they had a bunch of these.